So let's do that. So here this is a function given. We will write that function as, say, f of z is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x plus I into 3x square y minus y cube plus 3y. This is our f of z. Okay, so now so this is f of z. Now here we need to verify whether this is analytic or not. So this is of the form f of z is some u plus iv form. So first of all write u. U means the real part. Okay. So u is equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x. And v is equal to, v means the imaginary part, that is 3x square y minus y cube plus 3y. Okay, so that is u and v. Then now we'll find ux, means first partial derivative of u. Then we'll find uy. Then we will see Vx and Vy, and then we will verify, we will see whether it satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equations and whether that is continuous. Okay, so u is given. Now partial derivative of u with respect to x. When you do derivative with respect to x, y will be a constant here. Okay, because we are doing partial differentiation. So ux will be derivative of x cube is, as you know, it is 3x square minus, here 3 constant, we are differentiating with respect to x, so y is constant, so it is y square into derivative of x is 1 plus 3 into derivative of x is again 1, so 3 into 1 3. Got it? Write SS no. Understood up to this much? Then write S. Okay. Then now we are differentiating this u with respect to y. So u with respect to y means x cube. X cube, there is no differential of that one because x cube is a constant when you differentiate u with respect to y. So it is 0 minus here 3x constant, then y square derivative is 2y plus 3x derivative again it is 0 because you are doing that with respect to y. So that is equal to 0 and this 0. So minus 3x into 2y is minus 6xy. Okay, so that is about u, x and uy. Now we will see vx and vy. Same way, vx means derivative of v with respect to x. So here 3y is a constant into 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x minus derivative of y cube will be 0 and derivative of 3y also will be 0. Okay, so this is 3y into 2x is 6xy. So all of you are requested to write this in your notebook. Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is equal to v. Now we will find derivative of v with respect to y. So when you do with respect to y means here 3x square constant. So it is 3x square into derivative of y is 1 minus y cube. Derivative of y cube is 3y square plus derivative of 3y is 3. Okay, so just adjusting, arranging this. So that is 3x square minus 3y square plus 3. Now you look at that all. Is there any relation or can you see something ux or vy? See,
Yes, ma'am.
look at ux and vy. Are they same? 3x square minus 3y square minus 3y square, and here 3 so ux is equal to vy you got there. Okay, now look at uy and minus vx. Uy and vx, uy is 6xy and vx is, sorry, uy is minus 6xy and vx is 6xy. What is the difference between them?
Negative sign.
Only one difference of sign. Okay, so uy is negative 6xy and vx is 6xy. So from here you can write, therefore ux is equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx. Value of uy is, if you put a negative here, then it is minus Vx. So Uy is minus Vx. So hence Cauchy-Riemann equations are satisfied. Hence CR equations are satisfied. Okay. Now second condition is that whether all these partial derivatives are continuous or not. Okay. Now Simran, tell me, all the partial derivatives are continuous or not? Mapari Simran. Is it continuous or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because 3x.
3x.
You mute your audio.
Ma'am, your voice is repeating.
That's why her audio may be on. Na? Now it's okay, na?
Yes.
So,
Ma'am,
uh,
what is written after the hence? What is written after
hence
hence?
CR equations, Cauchy-Riemann equations, CR
Okay, ma'am.
equations. Cauchy-Riemann का short form we can write as CR equations. So here ux and means all these are algebraic functions only. So there is no question of whether that is continuous or not. Obviously they are continuous. Okay. So this is the first case, that is ux equal to vy, uy equal to minus vx, and CR equations are satisfied. And obviously ux, uy, vx, vy are continuous. Okay. Therefore the function is analytic. Therefore, f of z is analytic. This is the way you need to do. Got it? How to do? If you are getting a question, write u and v, find ux, uy, vx, vy. Even though you don't know to do the question, solve the question, you write this much, you will get that many marks. Okay. So ux, uy, vx, vy, very simple to do. So you can do it very easily. Got it?